Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Notifications and Control Center. Then click on App Notifications and tap on Sort By at the top. Over here, click on the best option for you. I will go with number of notifications. Finally, click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them, like Gmail. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!